Hello friends, welcome to the channel Dewdear Academy. In this video, I have included another important topic, that is the classification of food based on the predominant function or role in sustaining life, how we can classify the food items. So please subscribe the channel and also share this video to your friends. So let me start the topic. Functional classification of food. So this functional classification of food is based on the role of this food in sustaining the life. So we can divide this into three, that is energy yielding food, body building food and protective foods. Energy yielding, body building and protective foods. These are the three important classifications. So first we will discuss what is the energy yielding food. Energy yielding foods means these are the energy giving foods which are rich in carbohydrates and fats. So it provides energy and they are rich in carbohydrates and fats. So please note the energy yielding foods include the foods that are rich in carbohydrates and fats. So examples are cereals, then roots and tubers, then dried fruits, sugar, fat, all these are energy yielding foods or energy giving foods. Then what is the second classification? That is body building foods. What does body building foods include, or what does it do? It helps to grow the bones and muscles. It helps in growing, that is mainly the bones, muscle growth. All these are depending upon this body building foods. These include the food rich in proteins. Example, milk, egg, meat and fish, pulses, oil seeds, nuts. These are all protein rich food items and they are known as the body building food. So body building foods include all the food that is rich in proteins, that they are rich in proteins. Then what is the next classification? That is the protective foods. Protective foods are the foods that are mainly rich in vitamins, minerals, and it also include water. So these protective foods have the regulatory functions in the body, like maintaining the heartbeat, then water balance, temperature balance. So these are all functions of these protective foods. Protective foods are the foods, they are rich in vitamins and minerals and also it include water. The regulatory functions of the body is mainly depending upon these protective foods. The regulatory functions include maintenance of water balance, temperature, heartbeat and all. And then what are the important food items? They are rich, which are rich in these vitamins, minerals and all. The green leafy vegetables, fruits, then also milks, egg, all these are, milk, egg are all included in the protective food. Green leafy vegetables, fruits, milk, eggs are protective foods. So these are the important classification or the functional classification of food that include this energy yielding foods, body building foods and the protective foods. So thank you for watching this video. Subscribe the channel and also you can give the comments in the comment box.